All right, John writes, I wish all brands would ditch these light material hulls for at least the lower hull. Well, it makes sense for the GPs to be Nano XL. Nano XL is lightweight. Nano XL is very responsive. It communicates what the ski is doing on the water.
Oh yeah.
The GP needs to have that rider sensitivity to it. So anyone who says, "Oh, I don't like it, it's too rough," you bought the wrong ski for you. Mm-hmm. Because an aggressive rider, and dude, I'm 45, I'm 30 pounds overweight. I pop when I get out of bed. You know, I'm not racing anymore. Now, mind you, Chris McCluggage is 50 years old and he's in killer shape. But I'm not aggressively riding, and it's not something that would appeal to me. I would go buy an FX SVHO because it's got fiberglass hull. It's going to absorb more. It's going to be more forgiving. It's going to be as sporty for me, as sporty as I would probably ride it, you know. But there's just so many people who go out and buy the GP1800R SVHO and go, this thing beats crap out of you. I'm like, it's not the ski's fault. That's your fault.
Yeah. That GP hull. Now, I love my old skis, right? But the new GP hull, that is by far in my opinion, the best performing watercraft there is. Sure, you're going to feel every single ripple in the water, but that's part of the reason why I love it, because you get that responsive feedback and you know exactly what's going on. And the way it carves a turn, the stability at speed, I mean, you cannot beat that, in my opinion.
Agreed.
And of course, adding fiberglass to that would increase the weight. Sure, it'd be a little more durable, but it would change the riding attributes of that, which we saw with the new FX. That is a little bit slower, actually, than the outgoing Nano hull.
Yeah, it's more weight, and it's more. It absorbs more. Well, that's energy. The fiberglass. Okay. So more weight means more draft. So you have more water or more ski in the water. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's why the Cowie is not going 80. All right. It's got a ton of draft. We understand that. But the Cowie won't knock your fillings out in 4-foot whitecaps.
Yeah.
But on the flip side, you take a GP, that guy is skittering across the water, just maxed out. And it's feeling everything, so you know what it's doing. Mm-hmm. It's communicating through your feet and through your bars.
Yeah.
And I go back to cars. So it's like it's really stiff race suspension, really aggressive low-profile tires.
Yeah.
You're going to feel everything on that asphalt. All right? Oh, yeah. But when you're going 190 miles an hour, you want to be able to feel what the surface is.
Right.
Because if not, you're dead.
Right.
So, to that effect, the GP, being a full tilt race ski, should feel that. The only thing I would critique about that ski, besides having a sound system and having phone integration, is maybe the fact that it's still a painted hull.
Yeah, you know, I've had a lot of issues with that.
And if it wasn't painted,
flakes off.
Yeah. Even if they used a flex additive like what they put on the plastic bumpers of Hyundais, it would be better. But it's too brittle. And so guys are burning the paint when they go up the bunks of their trailer. They're like, how did I get these big black marks? And you're like, yeah, you went up the trailer bunks too fast. They're like, too fast? I flipped the throttle. You're like, yeah, too fast. Hey, guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.